Hormones are a really important topic when we're talking about weight loss and metabolism. People have an idea of what a hormone is, or they've heard of that word, but we don't really know how it affects our metabolism and our propensity to gain weight and energy and all these things. So really important to understand that as part of the aging process, we do gradually lose our hormones. And women know this when they go through menopause, but in reality, for both sexes, it's starting much before then. So typically after the age of 30, we start losing about 1% of testosterone yearly for men. And in the mid-30s for both sexes, hormones start to decline more rapidly. And when we're losing our hormonal levels that we had when we were young, that can impact metabolism, it can impact muscle maintenance. So remember, muscle is a driving force for metabolism. And if you're starting to lose muscle, you're losing the fuel that drives your metabolism. So what you used to be able to eat at 30 now makes you gain weight at 50 because you've lost muscle and you've lost hormone support. Really important to support hormones through processes like intermittent fasting, which naturally helps to boost growth hormone, boost testosterone, helping to have more youthful levels, which is only going to support you to maintain a healthier weight and have a more robust metabolism.